Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we will learn easy vocabulary words and their meanings. So let's start together. Train. A train is a long vehicle that runs on tracks. Lamp. A lamp gives us light. On. On means something is placed above another thing. Road. A road is where cars and buses travel. Egg. An egg is round and comes from a hen. People eat eggs. Door. The entrance to a building, room and car, etc. Toy. A toy is something children play with. Home. Home is the place where we live with our family. Watch. A watch shows the time. Fire. Fire is very hot and gives heat and light. Dance. Dance means moving your body to music. Man. A man is a grown-up male person. Flower. A flower is colorful and smells nice. Box. A box is used to keep things inside. Light. Light helps us see in the dark. Tank. A tank is a big container used to store water. Bucket. A bucket is used to carry water. Baby. A baby is a very young child. Crown. A crown is worn by kings and queens. Apple. An apple is a sweet and healthy fruit. Near. Near means close. Inside. Inside means something is in a place. Between. Between means in the middle of two things. Front. Front means the part that faces forward. Under. Under means below something. Behind. Behind means at the back. Outside. Outside means not inside a building. Around. Around means surrounding something. Far. Far means not close. Table. A table is furniture where we eat or study. Stick. A stick is a small piece of wood. Bed. A bed is where we sleep. Hill. A hill is a small mountain. Park. A park is a place where children play. Clean. Clean means making something neat and tidy. Shower. A shower means washing your body with water. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.